Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to see the Boeing 737 MAX 10 so close, so real, that you could almost hear the engines roar or feel the hum of the turbines? Imagine experiencing this iconic aircraft in a way that feels more alive than ever before, without leaving your seat. This is not just another video about airplanes. This is a journey into a new world where technology meets passion, where artificial intelligence brings aviation dreams to life with stunning realism. If you've ever been captivated by the sleek lines of a jet, the hum of a busy airport, or the magic of flight, you'll want to stay with me until the end, because what you're about to see will change how you experience airplanes forever. The Boeing 737 MAX 10 is no ordinary plane. It stands as the largest member of the 737 family, a series that has defined short to medium-haul air travel for decades. But the MAX 10 is not just bigger, it is smarter, more efficient, and packed with technology designed to meet the demands of modern aviation. Airlines worldwide are betting on it to serve more passengers with less fuel, making it a symbol of progress and innovation. For aviation lovers, each new aircraft model is more than metal and engines. It's a milestone, a piece of history in the making. The MAX 10 captures that spirit like no other. Now think about how we usually see aircraft. Maybe it's from a distance on a runway, a snapshot on social media, or a computer-generated model that looks decent but never quite feels real. What if I told you that artificial intelligence has now reached a point where it can recreate the 737 MAX 10 in stunningly realistic detail so true to life that it tricks your brain into believing the jet is right there in front of you? This video dives into that fascinating intersection, where AI's power meets aviation passion. It's about more than just visuals, it's about how technology can deepen our connection to the machines we admire. Why does this matter so much? Human psychology tells us that our brains are wired to respond to highly realistic images and experiences, especially when it comes to things we love or are passionate about. For airplane enthusiasts, seeing a plane that looks hyper-real triggers a unique emotional response, a mix of awe, excitement, and deep appreciation. That's why the idea of using AI to render the 737 MAX 10 so vividly isn't just a tech novelty, it's an experience designed to satisfy that craving for realism that every aviation fan feels. The more lifelike the jet appears, the stronger the connection becomes. This deep psychological pull is exactly why the 737 MAX 10 recreated by AI is so special. It's not just a picture or a standard 3D model, it's a window into the future of how we engage with aviation. The AI analyzes thousands of images, videos, and technical details, blending them seamlessly to produce a visualization that captures every rivet, shadow, and reflection. Your mind can't help but respond, because it's being shown something that aligns perfectly with what it expects from a real aircraft. That feeling of, I'm seeing it with my own eyes, is incredibly powerful, especially for those who live and breathe airplanes. Throughout this video, we'll explore what makes the Boeing 737 MAX 10 so unique, and how AI technology is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aviation visualization. But here's the reward for sticking around. By the end, you'll have a fresh perspective not only on the plane itself, but on how future technology will transform every aviation fan's experience. You'll see the jet as if you were standing right beside it, feel the thrill of its design innovations, and understand the subtle details that make this aircraft a masterpiece of modern engineering. So, buckle up and prepare to take off into a world where passion for airplanes meets the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. This isn't just about seeing a plane, it's about feeling it, understanding it, and discovering a new way to connect with aviation. Whether you're a lifelong plane spotter, an aspiring pilot, or simply fascinated by flight, what you're about to witness will deepen your love for the skies and the machines that conquer them. Stay tuned, because the journey is just beginning. The Boeing 737 MAX 10 is a marvel of modern aviation engineering. To truly appreciate what makes this aircraft stand out, it helps to understand the features and innovations that set it apart from its predecessors and competitors. At 143 feet in length, the MAX 10 is the largest member of the 737 family, designed specifically to carry more passengers without sacrificing efficiency or comfort. It can seat up to 230 people in a typical two-class configuration, making it an ideal choice for airlines seeking to serve busy routes with a narrow-body plane that delivers maximum capacity. But the 737 MAX 10 is more than just size. Its design reflects decades of Boeing's expertise combined with cutting-edge technology. For example, one of the most noticeable features is the advanced split-tip winglets. These winglets reduce drag, allowing the plane to fly more efficiently and consume less fuel. This might sound like a small detail, but from a psychological standpoint, Aviation enthusiasts recognize such features as a sign of progress, a commitment to pushing the boundaries of what an aircraft can achieve. It taps into that deep admiration we hold for innovation, craftsmanship, and efficiency. The engines on the MAX 10, the LEAP 1 billion models developed by CFM International, are another key highlight. These engines are designed to be quieter and more fuel-efficient than earlier versions, with advanced materials and aerodynamics that reduce emissions. For pilots and passengers alike, this means a smoother, quieter flight experience. And for aviation fans, the technology inside these engines represents the constant evolution of flight, reminding us that every part of an aircraft, down to the smallest turbine blade, plays a role in making the skies safer and more sustainable. The 737 MAX 10 also benefits from Boeing's latest advancements in aerodynamics and control systems. Its fly-by-wire spoilers, for example, allow for more precise handling during flight, enhancing safety and responsiveness. The airplane's updated flight deck incorporates the newest avionics, making it easier for pilots to manage complex operations with confidence. For people fascinated by the technical side of aviation, these systems offer a glimpse into how pilots and engineers work together to bring such a complex machine to life, blending human skill with cutting-edge technology. The competition in the narrow-body market is fierce, especially against Airbus's A321neo, which is a direct rival. Airlines choose between these planes based on a variety of factors like cost, fuel efficiency, and passenger capacity. The MAX 10's ability to offer greater seating while maintaining fuel efficiency makes it a strong contender. This competition itself adds a layer of excitement for aviation lovers. Watching these aircraft models evolve and compete is like witnessing a high-stakes technological race where every improvement counts. More than just a machine, the MAX 10 represents a milestone in aviation history. For many enthusiasts, new aircraft models aren't simply about technical specs. They're symbols of human achievement and the spirit of exploration. The MAX 10 is the latest chapter in a long story of progress, innovation, and the unending quest to fly higher, farther, and smarter. When aviation fans see this plane, they're not just looking at metal and engines, they're seeing a dream realized, a challenge overcome, and the future of flight unfolding before their eyes. This connection between people and airplanes runs deeper than you might think. Human psychology shows that when we become passionate about something, like aviation, every new development feels personal. The design details of the MAX 10, the curves of its fuselage, the shape of its wings, the hum of its engines, trigger a sense of wonder and pride. It's this emotional bond that makes aviation lovers eager to learn every detail and stay updated on the latest innovations. Understanding these technical features sets the stage for appreciating how artificial intelligence has recreated this jet in incredible detail. AI doesn't just copy the shape or size of the plane, it captures the essence of what makes the MAX 10 special. It studies real-world photos, videos, blueprints, and design data to reproduce every rivet, shadow, and reflection accurately. This level of detail is crucial because it feeds directly into how our brains perceive and respond to visual information. Our minds are finely tuned to detect authenticity. When an image or model looks real, it triggers a strong psychological response, an emotional connection that feels almost physical. This phenomenon explains why AI-generated visuals of the MAX 10 resonate so deeply with aviation fans. It's not just about seeing a picture, it's about feeling the plane's presence, experiencing the thrill of its design, and satisfying the desire to connect with something admired. For those who spend hours watching aircraft take off and land, or for professionals in the aviation industry, these AI visualizations offer something special, a chance to experience the plane up close without barriers. The detailed renderings allow fans to explore features that might be hard to see in person, from the texture of the fuselage to the complex geometry of the engines. This exploration feeds the curiosity that drives aviation enthusiasts, the same curiosity that fuels their passion for learning, understanding, and appreciating flight. Moreover, the realism achieved through AI taps into a concept psychologists call vicarious realism. When we see something that looks convincingly real, even if it's digital, our brains respond as if the object were truly present. This effect is powerful for airplane lovers who long for a close-up encounter with the MAX 10 but might not have the opportunity to visit an airport or factory. Through AI, they get to experience that encounter virtually, fulfilling a deep psychological need for connection and authenticity. In this way, AI does more than just show us a plane. It changes the way we experience aviation itself. The technology creates a bridge between imagination and reality, allowing fans to feel the thrill of flight and the majesty of the aircraft without leaving their homes. It's a new form of engagement that complements traditional ways of experiencing airplanes like spotting, flying, or reading technical manuals. For the Boeing 737 MAX 10, this means its story extends beyond the runway and the skies. Its image, recreated with incredible accuracy by AI, becomes a tool for education, admiration, and emotional connection. Aviation fans gain not only knowledge about the plane's specifications and innovations, but also a chance to deepen their passion through immersive, realistic visuals. This fusion of technology and enthusiasm elevates the experience of following modern aviation to a new level. In summary, the 737 MAX 10 is more than a large, efficient aircraft. It's a symbol of progress, a product of human ingenuity, and a source of pride for aviation lovers worldwide. When paired with AI's power to create hyper-realistic models, it becomes an experience that speaks directly to the heart of what makes people passionate about flight: the beauty, the complexity, and the endless potential of airplanes. This combination invites fans to see, feel, and understand the MAX 10 in ways never possible before, turning technology into a powerful bridge between imagination and reality. Artificial intelligence has transformed many industries, but its impact on aviation visualization is truly groundbreaking. When it comes to recreating the Boeing 737 MAX 10, AI brings a level of realism and detail that goes far beyond traditional computer-generated models. This isn't simply about making a digital image look good. It's about capturing the very essence of the aircraft in a way that feels authentic, tactile, and alive. For airplane enthusiasts, this is nothing short of revolutionary. At the core of this transformation is the power of deep learning, an advanced form of AI that teaches computers to recognize patterns and details from vast amounts of data. In the case of the 737 MAX 10, AI systems analyze thousands of high-resolution photographs, videos, blueprints, and technical specifications. They learn how light reflects off the metal surface, how shadows fall across the wings at different angles, and even how subtle weather conditions change the plane's appearance. This careful study allows the AI to recreate the jet with extraordinary precision. One of the reasons this matters so much to aviation lovers is because of the way our brains process visual information. Humans are incredibly sensitive to realism. When we see something that looks highly detailed and true to life, our brain responds emotionally and cognitively as if we were actually there. This reaction is rooted in evolutionary psychology. Our brains develop to identify genuine objects and distinguish them from false or threatening ones. So, when AI-generated images of the 737 MAX 10 are so accurate, it triggers a deep sense of connection and fascination. This phenomenon helps explain why hyper-realistic AI models of aircraft captivate aviation fans. The visuals feel immersive and real, almost like a live experience. The texture of the fuselage, the gleam of the engines, the tiny details like panel lines and rivets, they all combine to create a sensory experience that satisfies the mind's craving for authenticity. It's not just a static picture, it's a detailed, dynamic representation that invites closer inspection and emotional engagement. What's more, AI's ability to replicate environmental effects adds to this realism. For instance, subtle reflections of the sky on the airplane's body, the gentle distortion of heat waves behind the engines, or the way sunlight highlights the contours of the wings. These details contribute to the overall lifelike quality. Such effects require an understanding of physics and optics that AI can simulate better than ever before, thanks to its capacity to process complex data and mimic real-world conditions. The psychological impact of this level of realism is profound. For many airplane enthusiasts, the dream of seeing the 737 MAX 10 up close is often out of reach due to distance, time, or circumstance. AI-generated visuals offer a form of vicarious realism, where the brain accepts the digital representation as a valid substitute for real-life experience. This satisfies the emotional need for connection and fuels the passion for aviation in a new and exciting way. Another powerful aspect of AI visualization is the ability to explore the aircraft from every angle, in ways that traditional photography or video cannot always achieve. AI models can be rendered to show details hidden to the naked eye, or reveal design elements that are usually covered or hard to access. This encourages curiosity and learning, appealing to the natural human desire to understand how things work. For aviation fans, this means gaining a deeper appreciation for the engineering genius behind the MAX 10. Furthermore, AI enables the customization of these visualizations, allowing enthusiasts to see the aircraft in different liveries, lighting conditions, and environments. This adaptability enhances engagement by offering variety and personal relevance, which psychology shows is crucial for maintaining interest. When people feel they can personalize their experience, their emotional attachment grows stronger and their curiosity deepens. It's important to note that this AI-driven realism doesn't replace the excitement of seeing a real airplane. Instead, it complements and enriches it. The technology creates a bridge between imagination and reality, making it possible to explore the plane anytime, anywhere. This accessibility is especially valuable for those who may not have frequent opportunities to visit airports or attend air shows, opening up new ways to connect with their passion. The AI recreation of the 737 MAX 10 also offers educational benefits. By providing detailed and accurate models, it becomes a tool for pilots, engineers, students, and enthusiasts to study the aircraft's design and function without needing physical access. This contributes to a deeper understanding of aviation technology and history, reinforcing the bond between people and planes through knowledge. This synergy between AI and aviation passion reflects a broader trend. Technology is not just about utility, but also about enhancing emotional experiences. For fans who have followed the development of the 737 MAX family, seeing this jet in such stunning detail through AI visualization is a reward for their dedication. It validates their interest and offers a richer, more meaningful way to engage with the subject they love. From a psychological perspective, this experience fulfills several human needs simultaneously: curiosity, aesthetic appreciation, knowledge acquisition, and emotional connection. The brain's reward system is activated as viewers explore the plane, recognize familiar features, and discover new details. This creates a cycle of satisfaction and motivation to learn more, making AI-generated aviation content a powerful tool for sustained engagement. In essence, AI's role in recreating the 737 MAX 10 transforms the way airplane enthusiasts experience their passion. It's no longer confined to distant airports, textbooks, or static images. Instead, it becomes an interactive, immersive journey that respects the complexity and beauty of modern aircraft. The hyper-realistic models satisfy the mind's desire for truth and the heart's need for connection, making aviation appreciation richer and more accessible. This is why the 737 MAX 10 rendered by AI is not just a visual treat, but a psychological breakthrough. It leverages our innate responses to realism and authenticity, offering a sense of presence and involvement that goes beyond what traditional media can provide. For anyone fascinated by airplanes, this is an invitation to see, feel, and understand the jet in a way that feels remarkably real, even though it's created by artificial intelligence. In conclusion, AI has elevated aircraft visualization to new heights by combining technical precision with emotional resonance. The 737 MAX 10, with its advanced design and engineering, is the perfect subject for this innovation. Through AI, aviation lovers gain a window into the future, a future where technology doesn't just show us planes, but lets us experience them with the same awe and excitement as standing right next to the runway. This fusion of science, art, and psychology is reshaping how we connect with flight, making every detail of the MAX 10 feel more alive than ever before.